Yeah, come on. Go get your shoe. Please. No, we gotta go bye-bye. I know you got a horse, but we gotta go bye-bye and say bye-bye to horsey and we gotta get your shoe on. So can you come here, please? No! Yes. Just because you look cute doesn't mean you can always get away with it. Your shoe, please. Please. Do stick around top, please. Get away, tickle, tickle, tickle. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. Come on, we gotta go bye-bye. Please? Remember, ride horsey next time, okay? Wee. That's fun? Well, sweet, you gotta get your shoe on. You gotta get your jacket on too, okay? You gotta go see mommy's, okay? And Isaac, you wanna go see Isaac? I know you want it.
Gotta put your shoe on, baby.
Bye.
Gotta put your shoe on.
Bye. No, you gotta leave your jacket on.
Gotta put your shoe on. No, off.
Not yet.
No, sorry, baby.
Wait, please. Gabriella, stop.
Sorry, baby.
Honey, stop.
No, horsey, gotta go.
Look up the shoe.
Sorry, baby.
Thank you. I'll talk right with the shoe. Clean up with you.
Sorry, baby, we gotta clean up a little bit. Huh?
There you go. Where's your pink jacket?
Right here.
Okay, we gotta get off. Wait. Did it pop off? Okay, wiggle. Hold on. Wiggle. Wait. The back's on it. Hold on.
Ew.
Shoe stuck?
Yeah, mommy don't know how to do it.
There you go. Here, the back part was stuck.
You're not helping.
There you go. What? There, it's on.
What's the matter, baby?
It's on. I know. Hey, jacket. Where's your arm? One hand. Thank you. Where's your fingers? Where's the little fingers? Oh, there's the fingers. Mwah. I got fingers. Thank you. Fingers. Okay, give me the other hand. Where's your other hand? Way back here. Woo-hoo. Up. Here you go. Woohoo! Where's your fingers? Where's your little fingers? Where'd he go? I got fingers. Okay, good girl. Up. We go up, boop. Which one? Whee! You want to turn around for me? I love you.
Hi, baby.
What you want to do? I love you.